Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to overwinter your geraniums so you can save a bunch of money come springtime. Follow me and I'll show you. If you're not familiar, geraniums are pretty hardy. Sometimes people will take them inside and they'll grow for generations. So you don't have to keep buying them year after year. One way to do it is just simply bring in the pot and put it in a sunny window and keep watering it and take care of it just as you would outside. Another way to do it is the way that I'm going to show you. And we're going to force the plant into dormancy by using some paper bags. The first thing that we're going to do is deadhead, if you haven't already. Take off anything that's either dead already or is dying, like that. Like I said, they're pretty hardy, so you can just kind of tug at the dead stems. And just generally clean it up. Once you've done that, you're going to pull it right out of the dirt. Knock the dirt off. And this is what goes in the bag. Now you may see some people say that you've got to put them in upside down and tie the bag shut and hang it upside down. You don't have to do all of that. In fact, just placing it in the bag and placing it in a dark spot in the basement is going to save you a lot of time and money come springtime. I'm going to take care of this one and then I'll speed through the rest of them and show you what we do next. Now, keep in mind, you will lose some of these. I usually lose probably 25 to 35%, but I'm okay with that. It takes very little effort to do this. And at $3 to $5 a piece, when you have 10 or 15 plants, you're saving a boatload of money. Now the big key is to try to knock some of this dirt off so it doesn't rot. You want these dry. I've got an empty cabinet here, and this is where they're going to stay for the winter, until probably about February or March. I might check them in January, but more than likely I'll just leave them. They'll be undisturbed here. And the basement doesn't get below freezing. Check back with me in the spring, and we'll check out to see how these have done. Please like, subscribe, and comment.